Okay, students, so after you've read Molly Whoopie, we're going to start our narrative journal entries. So we practiced what it was like pretending we are one of the characters in the story from Rabbit and Coyote. So now we're going to do the same for this story. So we're pretending we're in Molly Whoopie, and we're going to tell our perspective from that character. Okay, so we're going to read this writing prompt right here. It says you're in Molly Whoopie. Plan to write 3 journal entries describing your thoughts and feelings during each of the following story events. So think of like when you read a diary or a journal and you write entries of things that happened to you. We're doing that pretending we are Molly in the story Molly Whoopie. So our very first journal entry is going to be about us escaping from the giant's house. So we're going to go through, make sure we hit all of these elements of narrative journal writing, and you're going to write it on this final piece right here, journal entry 1, our first escape from giant's house. After you've typed it here, then you go back and you make sure you did each of these elements, and you can drag these little X's over here, okay? Then as the week continues, we're going to write our second and third journal entry. So our second journal entry is going to be your theft of giant's sword. And our final journal entry is going to be about your attempt to steal the giant's ring. So in each of these, remember the components of narrative writing. We want to develop the story as if we are Molly and we would talk and sound like Molly. We want to have dialogue, so talking in the story about something that Molly might say or do, and sharing Molly's thoughts and feelings during the whole experience of this event. Okay, so take it one journal entry at a time, focus on the first one right now, and then go through the checklist and make sure you included all of these components to have a really strong narrative journal writing piece. After you've completed the first one, then we'll move on to the second and third. Okay? Good luck today.